Hello, today we will guide you through how to create Watchlist in Quantower. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a clean, functional watchlist ready to monitor your favorite markets in real time. Start by opening Quantower on your computer. Give it a moment to load your workspace. You should see the main platform window with its familiar layout and toolbars. If this is your first time launching it, don't worry. The steps are straightforward and the interface is designed to be intuitive. Next, move to the top left corner of the platform and click the Quantower icon. This opens the main application menu, which is the central place to access all tools and panels. Think of it as your hub for adding windows like charts, order entry, and of course, the watch list. From that menu, choose Watchlist. The platform will open a new watchlist panel. Depending on your current layout, it may appear docked alongside your other panels or as a floating window. Either way, you'll see a clean, empty grid with headers ready to display market data such as price and change once symbols are added. If the panel is not immediately visible, look for it behind other windows. The platform can layer panels depending on your last layout. Inside the watchlist panel, click the plus sign. This is the Add button, and it opens the symbol selector. You can usually search by ticker or name here, and the panel may show recent or popular instruments to speed things up. The idea is simple. You press plus whenever you want to bring a new instrument into view. Now select a sample symbol to add it to the list. The moment you confirm that selection, the instrument will appear in your watchlist grid. You should see its key data populate and update as the market changes. At this point, you've successfully created a watchlist and populated it with your first item. You can repeat the plus and select process any time to expand your list. If live prices aren't showing, it may be due to your data feed or market hours. That's normal and depends on your connected providers and subscriptions. As you monitor your newly added symbol, notice how the watch list presents concise, at-a-glance information to help you track movement quickly. The layout is designed for speed and clarity, so you can keep the panel open while working with charts or order tools elsewhere in the platform. That's all there is to it. You opened Quantower, accessed the watch list from the main menu, used the plus button, and selected a sample symbol.